let me show you how to properly seal any vacuum storage bag. So if these bags aren't properly sealed and if you do not use them correctly, they obviously leak air and they will expand on their own and all your effort will be essentially completely gone. So there are two main issues why these bags actually leak. So first, obviously, if this one isn't actually properly closed, I'll show you how to do that. And the second one is simply the valve isn't properly adjusted on it. So essentially after you stop pumping it, see you have this flapper valve, so it's kind of like rubber. So if it's properly doesn't sit right in the center, it's prone to leak air. Also, you see, you can take a finger and lightly lift it up a bit. So you see, you can probably hear it's leaking air. So you want to check if this is in good condition. So when you finish basically pumping out all the air, if it's not, I see you can kind of move it. So you see, it's movable. So you can also put your air in there, this flapper valve, and listen. If there is a leak, you should be able to hear. And if it is, simply take your finger and adjust it. And then the second issue is, you simply haven't properly sealed it over here. So let me show you how to actually do that properly. So see, it's all expanded. So with these bags, you are also getting this tiny tool included. So this we can use to essentially help close it better. So what you would do is you would simply take this tool, pop in here, and then you simply slide across. So I see most people actually only slide it once to the end and that's it. But that's not the correct way. What you do is you simply slide it once to the end, and then you take it again and slide it backwards. So you want to at least seal it 2 times, because if you only do it 1 time, I can guarantee it will leak. So personally, what I actually like to do, I like to do it 3 times in total. And then I can remove it. And as a final check, you can also use your fingers. So you would simply slide across, and if it basically it's not properly sealed, you'll kind of feel it in your fingers. It'll be off. So you can simply slide your fingers with some pressure. Again, also when you are sliding this, you have to exert pressure on the clip. So auto pressure, so it basically properly seals. But yeah, do the finger check after you do it with this tool. And if it feels okay, then you should be good to go. And finally, also let's use our hand pump. Screw it on. So you see it has got internal thread. We have to screw it on here. Okay, and then we can pump it. Okay, and again, finally, make sure to check this flapper valve if it's good and not leaking air. Literally put your air near it, you will be able to hear instantly if it leaks air. If it is, simply take your finger and adjust it till it doesn't leak air anymore. Okay, good luck.